Dear students, the topic of my today's lecture is spindle drive and influence of spindle on spinning a yarn. Spindles and their drive have a great influence on power consumption and noise level in the machine. The running characteristics of the spindle, especially imbalance and eccentricity related to the ring, also affect yarn quality and the number of end breakages. Almost all yarn parameters are affected by poorly running spindles. Hence, the mill must ensure at all times that centering of the spindle relative to the rings is as accurate as possible. Now, spindle drive. Basically, three groups of spindle drives can be there. The first one is tape drives, then tangential belt drives, and last one is direct drives. Tape drives can be further considered under the headings single spindle drive and group drives, and the direct drives under the headings individual mechanical and individual motor drives. Mechanical direct drives are not used nowadays. Individual motor drives were introduced as an experiment by SKF company. This one is the diagram of 4 spindle tape drive. In this system, a tape drives 2 spindles on both sides of the machine and further 2 spindles on opposite sides of the machine. In running from one machine side to other, the tape passes around a driving pulley and 2 tension rollers which ensures even and firm tension on the driving tape. In this diagram, single tape rotates 4 spindles 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 on front side and 2 on back side of the ring frame, and its advantages are lower noise level and energy consumption, and tapes are easier to replace. This one is the diagram of tangential belt drive. In this drive, a belt extends from motor past the inner side of the spindle. The pressure roller ensures even pressure on the belt and on all spindles. In this case, one endless belt drives the spindles on both machine sides, and in this case, 2 belts are provided. The first belt to drive the spindles on one side and the second belt drive the spindles on another side. The advantages of tangential belt drive are elimination of driving components under the machine, less disturbance of air under the machine, and a little reduced maintenance requirement. This one is the diagram of group drive. Group drive is being used increasingly nowadays instead of single or double belt version. In this system, the tangential belt drives 50 spindles on each sides of the machine. For example, 10 groups drives with 10 motors. These are the diagrams of different types of spindle drive. Among all these, 4 spindle tape drive is most popular. Thank you.